In this session, I would like to demonstrate how to create this character in the ScratchJr program. Now, let me to start the new project. To start the new project, click the Home button. Now, click the plus sign. Our new project is started. Now, we have to create a new character. So, let me to delete this character. Click and hold down for some times means until it appears this crush shine. Now click over here to delete this character. Well, now again click this plus sign to place the new character. Now look here, we are getting lot of characters. We are getting bundle of characters over here. We have to create ourselves. So we have to select this blank one and click in the paintbrush tool. Now look here, our paintbrush screen is appeared over here. Now I like to select the circle tool. Now let me to select this color. I like to select this blue color. Now we have to draw object in this manner. To fill the object, select the fill color tool from here and just click over here to fill the color which one is selected. Now look here, we need more copies of this object, so click the stamp tool and just click over here. Again select this stamp tool, again click over here. As you like, we can repeat this action. Now look here, after making duplicate copy, we have to separate these objects. So click the move tool. Move tool is already selected. This one is the move tool. Now using this move tool, drag and separate these objects. Now look here. Now using this move tool and rotate tool, we can arrange this object as we like. Now select this rotate tool and click over here and rotate in this way. Now again click the move tool and move it in the proper place. In this way we can arrange all these objects according to our requirement. Now I like one more copy. Finally, I like to draw one circle in the middle position. So I select the circle tool and I like to select the brinjal color for the outline of the circle, and I draw this circle over here. Hold down the shift key for proper circle. Now using the move tool, we can move it in proper place. Now I like to place over here. Anyway, now to fill the color, again I like to select this fill color tool and click once over here to fill the circle with the selected brinjal color. Now look here, almost our first character is ready. Finally, we have to save this character. To save this character, we have to click in this tick mark. Now look here, again I like to draw second character. Click the plus sign and select this blank one. Again click the paintbrush tool. Now we have to draw one stick for that character. For this, we have to select this thickness of the stick. Now look here, we have to select the color. This brinjal color is already selected. It's okay. Now select the line tool and draw that stick. Now look here, this character is also ready. Now we have to click on this tick mark to save and return in the Scratch application. Now look here. To increase the size of this character, click the looks block and get this code block, drag and drop in the programming area, and when we click on this block, it increases the size of selected character. Now look here, again if you want to increase the size of this character, now select this one, again get this code block and click over here. Now look here, its size is also increasing. Now move it in the proper place. Now I like to say it in this way. Now our character is ready. Now I like to write the code block with its background. I like to select this background. Now move it in proper place. In this way, now look here, delete it and get this green flag, go to the motion block and get this rotate block. Now I like to rotate it 12 times, click over here and get the 12 from this keypad. Now just test it. Now look here, in this way it rotates. If you are willing to rotate for forever, now get this forever loop block, snap over here. Now test it. Slightly we have to move this character. Now in this way I like to set. Now look here, it's very nice, amazing movement of this character. Now finally our character is ready, our code block is ready. Now it's time to demonstrate to you. Now just click the green flag to demonstrate. On the basis of this demo, you have to create your characters yourself and you have to write the code for this demo. Now look here, what a nice, interesting, it's amazing. In this way you have to create yourself.